In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove CMS from Framer. If you've been experimenting with Framer's CMS and decided you no longer need it, maybe you don't want a dynamic blog or collection-driven pages anymore, this walkthrough will show you how to remove those CMS-powered pages from your site. We'll do this right inside your project so your published site no longer includes the CMS routes. First, head to framer.com. Open the Framer workspace just like you normally would so you can work on your site. You want to make sure you're in the correct project before making any changes, because what we're about to do affects the pages your visitors see. Once you're in Framer, open your project so you're looking at the canvas. This is your main editing view where you can see your design, layers, and the side panels. Being on the canvas ensures you have access to all the tools you need, including the page structure where CMS routes live. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Pages. This panel shows every page and route in your site. If you've used CMS collections, you'll typically see a route for them here, and they'll be labeled in a way that makes them easy to recognize. Find the item labeled with a leading slash like on a blog. That slash indicates a route, and in this context, it's the collection route that generates your CMS-powered blog pages. Click the drop-down arrow next to it to reveal what's inside. You may see the template and any nested routes tied to that collection. Opening it helps confirm you're working with the right piece of your site structure. Hover over that opt-blog route and click the three dots, sometimes called the kebab menu. This opens a context menu for actions related to that route. It's a small button, but it's the key to managing or removing the collection page that powers your CMS content. Choose Delete. Framer will remove the blog route from your Pages panel, which effectively removes the CMS-driven blog pages from your site's structure. If you're prompted to confirm, make sure you're deleting the correct route. After deletion, your navigation and links to that route will no longer point to those CMS pages and your published site won't serve them. This change focuses on the page and route itself. The action is about removing the CMS-powered output from your project structure. That's all you need to do. By removing the blog route, you've taken the CMS-driven pages out of your Framer project, simplifying your site and ensuring visitors won't land on those dynamic pages anymore. When you're ready, preview your site to see the updated structure and then publish to push the change live.